Hello children, now 4th class mathematics. So we are discussing dividing into equal parts. Dividing into equal parts. So which one dividing? So we are discussing now dividing into equal parts. So first of all, we are learning the fraction. What is the fraction? What about the fraction? Do you know children fraction? F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, fraction. So what is a fraction? Definition of a fraction. CLQ. Definition of the fraction. Definition of the fraction. Fraction is used to portion or one whole part of the whole thing, part of the whole thing. Whole thing. So which part we are taking? That part, total part. So it's represent equal parts of the whole. Equal parts of the whole. Suppose we are taking the board now. This is the whole part now. Like that. So piece of chalk. This is the whole part. Like that. So a fraction has two parts. A fraction has two parts. What is that? One is the numerator and another one is denominator. Suppose example. See here, 2 by 4. So this is a one fraction. So 2 is a numerator, 4 is denominator. So up number is called numerator, bottom number is called denominator. Okay, understand children? Write down this, note down this. What is the fraction? Okay. Completed all of you? Next we are discussing the textbook to introduction part given now here. Okay. Completed all of you? Next to page number 108. Open it children. 12th chapter, dividing into equal parts. Okay, all of you completed I think. See here, listen children, this picture. So wow, here what will having? Idlis. Are you like idlis? Your mother only preparing now idlis? Yes or no? See, here also mother has put 12 idlis on the plate. So his mother's prepared 12 idlis. Here how many idlis are there? 12 idlis. 12 idlis puts on the plate. So mother. So here mother will asking, saying mother. Sonu and Kaushik, divide these idlis equally between both of you and finish your breakfast. So his mother will saying what is saying. Sonu and Kaushik, divide these idlis equally between both of you. So both of you dividing equally only, no? Finish your breakfast. She is saying like that. So your mother also now preparing some food. Your brother or sister too only sharing, no? Saying like that also here. Sonu and Kaushik sharing. Sonu and Kaushik divided them like this. Have you they divided this idlis equally? See here. They are dividing now. See here. So 12 idlis having now. So which like they are dividing? So we are dividing now. Completed all of you? So 12 idlis. 12 idlis. 12 idlis for 2 children. 2 plates. 2 children. See here. 1 plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each plate to how many idlis will came? Suppose you are thinking this idlis, not idlis, no? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one get how many idlis? 6 idlis. Each one get 6 idlis, no? Now can you divide this 8 idlis equally among 4 children? Suppose they are having only 8 idlis. So you will distribute for 4 children. How many children too? 4 children too. 8 idlis. Each one get 6 idlis. So here 8 idlis only having. So for 4 children. 4 children. So 4 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4 plates. So first of all equals to equal quantity only. Equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only came equal in a next one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Will be completed now. So each one get how many idlis? 2, 2. Only 2, 2. No? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Equally only. Each one get 2 idlis. Each one get how many idlis? 2 idlis. Only 2 idlis. So next given here, also divide these 9 pencils equally among 3 children. So here down given now 9 pencils given. How many pencils are given here? 9 pencils. So among 3 children. So completed. Understand this? Equally among 3 children. Nine pencils equal among 3 children. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pencils. But how many children do? Only 3 children. Only 3 children. See, 1 children, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 children, 3 children. Okay. So first of all, each children too will give it 1 pencil. 1, 2, 3. So each one get 1. Next, again 1. So each one get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Next one. Each one 3 will distribute. Okay. Now we finishing now? Yes. So 9 pencils we are distributing now for 3 children. So each one get how many pencils? See here, count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So all children will get equally 3 pencils. So each one get 3 pencils. Each one get 3 pencils. 3 pencils. Note all this. Neatly. Okay, draw that, okay? Next one, write down that question, write down. This also you will distribute like that. Only you will draw. Okay? Next one. What about 16 marbles among 4 children? First question. Second. 16 marbles among 4 children. 16 marbles among 4 children. Do you know, children, marbles? Are you playing this? With marbles too. You know now marbles? You are playing now these marbles too. Okay. So 16 marbles only having in that 16 marble. So for 4 children too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 marbles. So how many children are there? Only 4. 1, 2, Next, 2, 2. So each one get 2 marbles. Then 3. So 3. Next one, 4. 4. So each child get how many? Each child get 4 marbles. Therefore, each child get 4 marbles. Note down this. Each child get how many marbles? 4 marbles. Do you understand, children? Okay. Do this. Next one. Today the maths teacher is teaching division in class. She makes 12 pencils on the board and asks Sonu to divide 12 pencils among 3 people. So 12 pencils among 3 people. See here. Here having now 12 pencils. See. 12 pencils. So 12 pencils to dividing for 3 people. See here. 12 pencils to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Sonu is dividing like this only now. 12 pencils for 3 people. So 12 by 3 equals to, he is doing like this also. 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. So do this problem solving now here. Write the following statement. Page number 109. Page number 109. Completed? Do this. See first bit A1. Write the following statements as Sonu's classmate had done above. Lata makes 6 vadas and divide them equally among 3 children. So A1 answer, Lata makes how many vadas? 6 vadas. So total number only will be right of numerator place. Among her 3 children. So like this only. 6 by 3 equals to, how much it is? 6 by 3. You know children, 3 table? 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. 2. So each one get 2 vadas. So all of you write in your notebook too. This heading you will be right, and this A question also you will be right. A question also right. Then afterward this answer right. B1. The teacher divides 16 notebooks equally among 8 children. 16 notebooks among 8 children. 16 by 8. 8 table you know children? 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16. 2. Completed? So next one. preparing 10 rotis for equally 5 family members. In the family, 5 members in family. So how many rotis she is prepared? 10 rotis. So how many members having in that family? 5 members. So 10 by 5. 10 by 5. 10 by 5. 5 on the 5. 5 to the 10. 2. Write all of you this. One by one question right after. A question right after A answer. B question right after B answer. Like that only you should be right. B answer, B answer, C answer. So here express the following from form of statements. So you are giving the fraction, you are only preparing the statement. Next page. Divide rotis equally. Divide rotis equally. Page number 110. Page number 110. See here, divide rotis equally. Divide. So we are giving introduction part only, children. Divide rotis. The teacher asked the children, how will you divide one roti equally among two people? So how will you divide one roti equal? Two children two people two. So Kamala, she is dividing like this. So one roti, two parts. Rama, she is dividing one roti, two parts. See here. Krishna. You have to divide the roti into equal parts, into two equal parts. Suresh had two parts in your picture equal. See here. Suresh divided like this. So Kamala is dividing equal part. So one roti, two parts. Here also one roti, two parts. So here Krishna also dividing two parts. But here observe here Suresh dividing half part. Each part will equal. No, this part is big. This part is small. You are only dividing no like that. Your brother and sister having this. So don't do no like that. See here. So this is not equal parts. Suresh will divide it not equal parts. So remaining three people are dividing equal parts. But see here. So this like and so different parts too will dividing, but they are dividing in equal parts. Half part only. Each person get half roti. So each person get how many rotis? Half roti. Half roti. Each person will get half roti. So it means 1 divided by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Half means one part equal to the two parts, two equal parts. So 1 by 2 part. Understand all of you? 1 by 2 part. So now we have discussed 1 by 4 part. See here. Teacher now divide equally One roti equally among 4 people. Kamala draw this picture in her notebook. See here. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means 1 part will dividing into equal 4 parts. 1 by 4. Note down that. So next one. See. So 3 rotis among 2 people. 3 rotis among 2 people. Among 2 people. See here. First each one gets 1. So remaining half part. Half part. Here up, here up. So 3 rotis among 2 people. So each one get 1 full roti. Each one get 1 full roti. And 1 half roti. 1 full roti and 1 half roti. No? 1 full roti, 1 half roti. Each one get. So 3 by 2 not 3 rotis. We are distributing in 2 people too. So each one get 1 full roti plus 1 half roti. 1 full roti, 1 half roti. 3 by 2 equals to 1 plus 1 by 2. Understand now? So remaining part. So we will discuss our next class to know. Understand all children? Okay. Note down that. Write neatly. So next page to having 5 rotis equally among 2 people. 5 rotis among 2 people. So which slide we are dividing? We are discussing. Okay? You will try that. Okay children, bye all of you.